Hi friends, good morning. Today let us do some problems on theory of equations, that is polynomials. So easy chapter. Just I have selected some 5 to 6 problems. Those problems we are going to do now. Okay friends, the first problem is fx is equal to 5x cube minus 13x square, 5x cube minus 13x square minus 12x plus 7, minus 12x plus 7 is equal to 0. Fx is equal to this polynomial. Then what is the polynomial? Whose roots are diminished by 2? What is the polynomial whose roots are diminished by 2? So we want a polynomial whose roots are diminished by 2 of these roots. Say suppose these roots are alpha comma beta comma gamma. This is a third degree polynomial. It will have three roots. Say alpha beta gamma. So we want a polynomial whose roots are diminished by 2. That is, we want the polynomial whose roots are alpha minus 2 and beta minus 2 and gamma minus 2. Alpha minus 2, beta minus 2 and gamma minus 2. Friends, you can solve this problem in two ways. The first way is, since we want the polynomial whose roots are diminished by 2, then we substitute x is equal to x plus 2 in the given polynomial. Diminished by 2 means we have to substitute x is equal to x plus 2 in the given polynomial, so that you will get the required polynomial. I shall consider a small example for you. I am taking this quadratic equation, second degree polynomial, x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. The roots of this equation are 2, 3. We want a polynomial whose roots are diminished by 1. That is, we want a polynomial whose roots are 1, 2. Diminished by 1. So what we have to do? We have to substitute x is equal to x plus 1 in this polynomial. Diminished by 1 means we have to substitute x is equal to x plus 1 in this polynomial. Then we will get the polynomial whose roots are 1, 2. Let us substitute, friends. X is equal to x plus 1, we have to substitute x plus 1 whole square minus 5 into x plus 1 plus 6 is equal to 0. X square plus 2x plus 1 minus 5x minus 5 plus 6 is equal to 0. It implies x square plus 2x minus 5x minus 3x plus 1 plus 7 minus 2 minus 5. 7 minus 5 plus 2 is equal to 0. Clearly, the roots of this polynomial are 1, 2. Okay, friends. So that is one way. Then the other way is by synthetic division method. Also, we can find this polynomial. So let us solve this. In that way, by synthetic division way. So friends, now our problem is fx is equal to this one. We want a polynomial whose roots are diminished by 2. So what is one way, friends? By substituting x is equal to x plus 2 in this way. The other way, now let us see. So write the coefficients of this thing: 5, minus 13, minus 12, 7. Roots are diminished by 2. So first term you have to note down as it is. 2 into 5, 10. Add these two things. Minus 3. 2 into minus 3, minus 6. Add minus 18. 2 into minus 18, minus 36, minus 29, Now do the same thing with 2. 5 as it is. 2 5s are 10. 7. 2 7s are 14. Minus 4. Again do the same thing. 5. 2 5s are 10. 7 plus 10, 17. Same thing. So your process is over, friends. Now the required polynomial is 5x cube. This is x cube term, x square term, x term, constant term. 5x cube plus 17x square minus 4x minus 29 is equal to 0 is the required polynomial. This is a better way, friends. Instead of substituting alpha plus x plus 2 in this polynomial, even if you substitute x is equal to x plus 2 in this polynomial, you are going to get the same polynomial. So now the required polynomial is 5x cube plus 17x square minus 4x minus 29 is equal to 0 is the required polynomial, friends. Okay, friends, very clear. Next we shall do one more problem. 5x cube minus 4x minus 29. Fx is equal to, next problem, friends, fx is equal to x power 4 minus 5x cube plus 7x square minus 5x cube plus 7x square minus 17x plus 11. This is the given polynomial, friends. X power 4 minus 5x cube plus 7x square minus 17x plus 11 is equal to 0. Each is diminished by 4. So one way is by substituting x is equal to x plus 4 in this polynomial. That is a big task. So instead we go by this way. Coefficients are 1, minus 5, 7, minus 17, 11. So diminish it by 4. 1 as it is. 4 into 1, 4. minus 1, 4 into minus 1, minus 4, 3, 4 into 3, 12, minus 5, 4 into minus 5, minus 20, minus 9. Okay, leave that. Again, 1, 4 into 1, 4, 4 into 3, 12, 15, 4 into 15, 60, 55. Okay friends, now 1, 4 into 1, 4, 4 into 7, 43, 4 into 1. So now the required equation friends, x power 4 plus 11x cube plus 43x square plus 55x minus 9 is equal to 0 is the required equation friends. X power 4 plus 11x cube plus 43x square plus 55x minus 9 is equal to 0 is the required equation friends. Okay friends, clear? Okay friends, now let us do the next problem. See, the given polynomial is 2x cube minus 9x square, 2x cube minus 9x square plus 13x minus 6 plus 13x minus 6. The question is friends, 3 by 2 comma 1 comma 2 3 by 2 comma 1 comma 2 are the roots of this polynomial, then the roots of the equation 6x cube minus 13x square plus 9x minus 2 is equal to 0. These three are the roots of this polynomial. We want the roots of this polynomial. See friends, you can clearly observe just the coefficients are reversed. 6 came to this place, 13 came to this place, 9 came to this place, 2 came to this place. So here the coefficients are reversed. In this case, you have to say if these are the roots, the reciprocals are roots of this. This polynomial. So now the roots of this polynomial are 2 by 3, 1 by 1 by 2. So 2 by 3, 1 by 2 are the roots of this polynomial. So sometimes some easy problem. Just coefficients are reversed means the roots are reciprocals. If these are the roots, then the roots of this reciprocal are 1 by x. That is reverse this. 2 by 3 1 comma 1 by 2. 2 by 3 1 comma 1 by 2. Okay friends, 1 minute. Now friends, let us see one reverse problem, that is fx is equal to 5x cube plus 17x square minus 4x minus 29 is equal to 0. 5x cube plus 17x square, 5x cube plus 17x square minus 4x minus 29 is equal to 0. What is the polynomial whose roots are increased by 2? So, as we discussed in the previous problem, we have two ways. Roots are increased by 2 means then you have to substitute x minus 2 in place of x. That is one way. Or by the synthetic way, now we want the polynomial whose roots are increased by 2. So now we have to do synthetic division by minus 2. See friends, 5, 17 minus 4 minus 29. Now the roots are increased by 2. When it is said increased by 2, we have to do with minus 2. 5 as it is, 2 into minus 2 into 5 minus 10, 7, 2 into minus 7 minus 14 minus 18, minus 2 into minus 18 36. So here 7. Let us go by same way. 5 minus 2 into 5 minus 10 minus 3 minus 2 into minus 3 plus 6 minus 12. Same way, minus 2 into 5 minus 10 minus 13. So the required equation, friends, our process is over. Now the required equation is 5x cube minus 13x square minus 12x plus 7 is equal to 0. 5x cube minus 13x square minus 12x plus 7 is equal to 0 is the required equation, friends. So this is the given polynomial, and this is the polynomial whose roots are increased by 2. Okay friends, we shall do one more problem, just reverse of this. Minus 13x square minus 12x plus 7. fx is equal to the given polynomial, friends, x power 4 plus 11x square 11x cube, friends, 11x cube plus 43x square plus 55x minus 9 is equal to 0. So the equation This is the given polynomial. This is the given polynomial. We want the polynomial. We want the equation whose roots are increased by 4. Whose roots are increased by 4. So when increased by 4, we have to take minus 4. Minus 4. Let us write the coefficients. 1, 11, 43, 55, minus 9. We have to write 1 as it is. Minus 4 into 1. Minus 4. 7. Minus 4 into 7. Minus 28. 15. Minus 4 into 15. Minus 60. Minus 5. Minus 4 into minus 5. Plus 20. So 11. Again, let us do the same process. 1. Minus 4 into 1. Minus 4. 3. Minus 4 into 3. Minus 12. 3. Minus 4 into 3. Minus 12. Minus 17. Minus 4 into 1. Minus 4. Minus 1. Minus 4 into minus 1. Plus 5 plus 4. 7. Minus 4 into 1. Minus 4. Minus 5. So this is the friends. This is the process. So here the required equation is x power 4 minus 5x cube plus 7x square minus 17x plus 11. Okay friends. So x power 4 minus 5x cube plus 7x square minus 17x plus 11 is equal to 0 is the required polynomial friends. X power 4 minus 5x cube plus 7x square minus 17x plus 11. This is the required polynomial friends. This is the easy way you can adapt. Okay friends, let us do one more problem. So when the problem is diminished by say 2, diminished by 4, we have to do this exercise with plus 4. If the problem is increased by 4, then you have to do with minus 4. Okay friends, that is the thing. Okay. Next problem friends, alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of the polynomial alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of the polynomial x cube plus 4x square plus 5x plus 2. X cube plus 4x square plus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. Then what is the value of sigma 1 by alpha square plus beta square? Sigma 1 by alpha square plus beta square. See friends, we know everything. See, that is alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of this polynomial. We can find alpha plus beta plus gamma. We can find alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha we can find alpha, beta, gamma. So we can find everything and finding this is easy one. Okay friends, sigma 1 by alpha square plus beta square is equal to sigma 1 by alpha square beta square is equal to 1 by alpha square beta square plus 1 by beta square gamma square plus 1 by gamma square alpha square. Right friends, this is we have to find the LCM. LCM is alpha square beta square gamma square. So here the numerator becomes alpha square beta square means gamma square plus alpha square plus beta square. That is equal to alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square by alpha beta gamma whole square. Friends, the numerator is alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square. That is a square plus b square plus c square. A square plus b square plus c square is equal to a plus b plus c whole square minus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca. Okay friends, so this is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma whole square minus 2 into alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha by alpha beta gamma whole square. So this is the reduced form. Now from this equation alpha plus beta plus gamma sum of the roots minus b by a minus 4 minus b by a c by a minus d by a. So here sum of the roots, that is alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus c by a. Next thing alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to c by a 5 by 1, that is 5, and alpha beta gamma minus plus minus 2 minus b by a c by a minus d by a ax cube plus bx ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. So now let us substitute these values. Alpha plus beta plus gamma whole square minus 4 whole square 16 minus 2 into 5 2 5s 10 2 5s this is 5 10 by alpha beta gamma whole square minus 2 whole square means 4. So 16 minus 10 6 by 4 2 3s 2 2s 3 by 2 is the value of the 1 by sigma 1 by alpha square beta square friends. So 3 by 2 is the required answer friends. Okay friends, we shall do some more problems in tomorrow's video. Friends, I tell you one thing, in yesterday's video I have done a small mistake. You might have observed small mistake. Yesterday we did a problem in quadratic equations where alpha plus beta is equal to minus 2 alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to minus 56 problem. Last but one problem I think in yesterday's video. Here and the question is find the quadratic equation whose roots are alpha gamma beta. That is x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta is equal to 0. This was yesterday's problem. So in finding out, so have done like this: alpha cube plus beta cube, a cube plus b cube is equal to, actually we know a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So yesterday we forgot alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta into alpha square plus beta square minus alpha beta. This is equal to alpha plus beta into, this is alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta minus 3 alpha beta. Yesterday we did only this one. We did only this one. Just we forgot this one. So alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to alpha plus beta into alpha plus beta whole square minus 3 alpha beta. Alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to minus 56. Alpha plus beta minus 2 into alpha plus beta whole square 4 minus 3 alpha beta. Alpha beta we have to find. 28 is equal to 4 minus 3 alpha beta. 3 alpha beta is equal to 4 minus 28 minus 24. Alpha beta is equal to minus 8. So alpha beta is equal to minus 28. Yesterday we got 28 moment. So alpha beta is equal to minus 8. Now the required equation is x square minus x into alpha plus beta minus 2. Minus 2 into minus x plus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. This is the required equation, friends. So absolutely sorry for yesterday's this mistake. Yesterday we forgot this. Only factors of alpha plus beta cube. Alpha plus beta into alpha plus beta alpha square plus